You are back at Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and guide you through the step-by-step process of replacing your cabin air filter. From locating the filter to installing the new one, we'll cover all the necessary steps to ensure your cabin air is clean and fresh. Get ready to complete your filter replacement and enjoy the benefits of improved air quality inside your vehicle. Odor detection. Another telltale sign that your cabin air filter needs replacing is the presence of unpleasant odors emanating from your vehicle's HVAC system. If you detect musty or foul smells circulating throughout the cabin, it could indicate that the filter is contaminated with mold, bacteria, or other pollutants. Addressing these odors by replacing the filter can help improve the air quality inside your vehicle and prevent potential health issues associated with breathing in contaminated air. By proactively monitoring and assessing the condition of your cabin air filter through visual inspections, airflow tests, and odor detection, you can stay ahead of potential issues and ensure that your HVAC system operates efficiently and effectively. Regularly changing your cabin air filter according to manufacturer recommendations is key to maintaining a healthy and comfortable driving environment for you and your passengers. D versus professional replacement. When it comes to replacing your cabin air filter, you may be debating between tackling the task yourself or seeking the expertise of a professional technician. Let's explore the pros and cons of both options to help you make an informed decision that suits your needs. DIY replacement. If you are a hands-on individual looking to save money and enjoy working on your car, opting for a DIY cabin air filter replacement could be a rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you start replacing your cabin air filter at home. 1. Gather your tools. Before you begin, ensure you have the necessary tools on hand. This typically includes a new cabin air filter, gloves, a screwdriver, if needed, and a vacuum cleaner to tidy up the area. 2. Locate the filter housing. The cabin air filter is usually located behind the glove compartment or under the dashboard. Refer to your vehicle's manual for specific instructions on locating the filter. 3. Remove the old filter. Carefully remove the old cabin air filter from its housing, taking note of its orientation to ensure you install the new one correctly. 4. Install the new filter. Place the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns with the airflow direction marked on the filter. 5. Secure the housing. Once the new filter is in place, securely close the filter housing and reassemble any components you removed earlier. While a DIY replacement can be a fulfilling project, keep in mind that incorrect installation can lead to air leaks or decreased filter efficiency. Additionally, if your vehicle requires complex disassembly to reach the cabin air filter, it may be best to leave it to the professionals. Professional replacement. Opting for a professional cabin air filter replacement offers several advantages. Certified mechanics have the expertise and tools to ensure the proper installation of your new filter. Here are some benefits of having a professional technician handle the replacement. Expertise and precision. Certified mechanics are trained to perform precise installations, reducing the risk of errors that could impact your vehicle's air quality. Potential issue detection. During the replacement process, a professional technician may uncover other underlying issues that could affect your vehicle's performance, allowing for timely repairs. Choosing a professional replacement ensures that the job is done efficiently and accurately, giving you peace of mind knowing that your cabin air filter is in optimal condition. Whether you opt for a DIY replacement or seek professional assistance, the key is to ensure that your cabin air filter is replaced at regular intervals to maintain clean air inside your vehicle and protect your HVAC system from contaminants. By understanding the importance of timely cabin air filter replacements, you can ensure better air quality inside your vehicle and prolong the lifespan of your HVAC system. Regular maintenance is key to preventing pollutants from circulating in the cabin and maintaining a healthy environment for you and your passengers. Remember, a clean cabin air filter not only improves the air you breathe but also enhances the efficiency of your car's heating and cooling system. With simple steps like replacing the cabin air filter at recommended intervals, you can enjoy cleaner, fresher air during your travels. Don't overlook the significance of this small yet impactful component in your vehicle's overall performance. Make it a habit to check and replace your cabin air filter regularly to experience a noticeable difference in air quality and comfort while driving. As we conclude our two-part series on when to replace your cabin air filter, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by maintaining your cabin air filter, you can ensure you're breathing clean air while driving. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and maintain your vehicle with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.